Hi children, today we are going to premiere the NCERT Solutions Class 7 Science Chapter 14 Electric Current and its Effects. Okay, we are going to give these answers solutions so you can note it or it is a picture solution, you can draw it in your note. Okay, we are going to do our first question. First question, draw in a notebook the symbols to represent the following components of electric current: connecting wires, switch in the off position, bulb, cell, switch in the on position, and the battery. Connecting wires, a line, switch in on position, a dot plus one line between them, bulb, and the cell, switch off position, battery. That's all. Draw the circuit to represent the circuit shown in figure 14.9. The answer in the next page. This is the question and this is the figure 14.9. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. Answer, you can draw this or you can draw this in your note or class note or your rough note, so you can it can help in your exams or in your test. Figure 14.11 shows 4 cells fixed on a board. Draw lines to indicate how will you connect these terminals with wires to make a battery of 4 cells. Answer for this, to put line instead of this and this, so you can say this as figure 14.12, and it also has fourth question, the bulb in the circuit shown in 14.13 does not glow. Can you identify the problem? Make necessary changes in the circuit to make a bulb glow. The figure 14.3. The problem in the circuit is the combination of two cells in the circuit. Positive of a terminal, the one cell should be connected with the negative terminal of other terminal to make the bulb glow. This is figure 14.14. After being connected with the positive terminal and a negative terminal so that the bulb will glow immediately. The switch is also in on position, so we can't put the positive terminal and the positive terminal, it will not glow, so you have to put positive and negative terminal. Name any two effects of electric current. Electric current has the following effect. Electric current can give a rise to heating and lighting. Electric current can convert a straight conductor into a temporary magnet. Let's see the sixth question. When a current is switched on through a wire, a compass needle kept nearby deflected from in the north and south position. When the current is passed through a wire, it deflects the compass near it from the its north position to the south position. This is called magnetic effect. As we know, the needle of the compass is made up of thin magnet. When this needle comes in contact with another magnet, then like the poles of the magnet repel each other and opposite poles attract each other, so the deflection is seen in the needle. In this case, the wire behaves like a magnet and causes deflection in the needle of the complex. Let's see the another question in the electric current and its effects. Will the compass needle show the deflection when the wire in the circuit shown by the figure 14.15 is closed? No, because there is no source of battery current in this circuit. There is no battery. Yes, there is no battery. Let's see the next question in the electric current and its effects. Fill in the blanks. Longer line in the symbol for a cell represents its positive terminal. The combination of two or more cells is called a battery. When the current is switched on in a room heater, it becomes red and red hot and emits heat. The safety device used based on heating effect of a electric current is called a fuse. Next, see the next question. Mark true or false. To make a battery of two or more cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to a negative terminal to other the cell. False. When the electric current through a fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks. True or false? True. An electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. False. An electric bell has an electromagnet. True. Next question. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating a plastic bags from a garbage heap? No, plastic bags cannot be attracted by the electric magnet, so they can't be separated by a electric magnet. Plastic bags are not magnetic material. Only magnetic material like iron can be attracted by the magnet. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in a house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reasons for your response. No, we would not agree to allow to replace a fuse by a wire. The wire in the fuses are specific melting points, so we should always use ISI marked fuses in our house to prevent short circuits. Zubeda made an electric using a cell holder shown in the figure 14.16, a switch and a bulb. When she put the switch in on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Zubeda in identify the problem in the deflects in the circuit. It is important to put the cells in the right series. The positive terminal and in the first should be connected with the negative of the second cell should be closed properly. If Zubeda check this problem, it will certainly glow. The 13th question in the circuit shown in figure 14.17. Would any of the bulb glow when the switch is in on off position? What will be the order in which the bulb A, B and C will glow when the switch is moved to the on position? No, bulb will not glow. The bulb will always stimulate.